I saw your profile on LinkedIn. 2014, you did your graduation. You've qualified for a CA. And last 5 years, you've also been the CEO of Choice Connect. I want you to tell me, what is the biggest achievement that you have really achieved in the last 10 years?
So there I identified health insurance is something a lot of people need. If any person want to take health insurance, a decent plan comes for 3,000, 4,000 rupees or 5,000. If you go to 8, 10,000 is very easy now कि वो plan आपको आता है. And they can actually not afford that. What about daily wage workers? They cannot afford 10,000 rupees a year. So you championed a product which was 99 rupees. 99
Annual
was,
or?
99 was annual premium.
That's it.
Yes.
So I saw a lot of these products, including I think this corporate FB which you all had mentioned, and you also put a savings account. What was the brainchild behind like everything, and what are you all trying to achieve here? Because of that, there's no credit, and because of that, they're not eligible for because the CIBIL score is not got better.
This is something we kind of worked out, and this another use case for this was giving it to housewife or students.
Boy, never eligible.
They can be financially independent.
What else, are you planning with Choice Connect?
When we started also 2019, the thought was that we have to penetrate this market. We have to think where the actual problem lies. So it is not at the top of the pyramid, it is at the bottom of the pyramid. In this whole journey, we are trying to step down. We haven't reached at the bottom of the pyramid. We are still to be there. But we never started at the top. We started like third step or fourth step and started climbing down.
Yeah.
We have reached at tier 3 now, tier 4 and tier 5. We are trying to make a difference.
It will definitely take time.
And the complete focus is
Hi, welcome to another episode of the Evolvement Podcast where we meet conscious leaders. Today we have our guest, Mr. Atish Jain. Atish is the CEO of Choice Connect. So Choice Connect, guys, is a financial services firm it is bringing financial services accessible and affordable to everyone, and is also encouraging financial entrepreneurship. Today we are going to decode a lot about what has made Choice Connect, in a short duration of time, a market leader, and also what is it that Atish brings to the table, his own leadership style, and a lot more. Stay tuned, guys. So Atish, welcome to the Evolvement Podcast. I am very, very happy to have you here.
very happy to be here. From being a conscious leader and be part of Evolvement series. That is something I am also looking forward for.
Excellent. So when I was seeing your CV, the one thing which I saw your profile on LinkedIn, 2014, you did your graduation. You've qualified for a CA, okay? And last 5 years, you've also been the CEO of Choice Connect. It has been an amazing journey, like in 10 years, okay? I want you to tell me, what is the biggest achievement that you feel that you have really achieved in the last 10 years?
So definitely the professional qualification of being a chartered accountant. At one point of time, that was something I thought will be one of the biggest thing I have done. But when I see in hindsight, the last 5 years when we have been working and building Choice Connect, the countless life where we have touched, the lives we have impacted, that is something which is, I can say, is the biggest achievement for me. So we have a couple of partners or business associates with us who started as an individual with no income with us. Now they have built their home, they have bought good cars. Now,
wow,
with this partnership, and that is something now when I see, fills my heart with gratitude. Like, this is where we have been able to touch the lives of a lot of people.
I think, so I think financial inclusion is a big part about your, I was going through your LinkedIn profile. You've mentioned financial inclusion very proudly. And I'll tell you what, somewhere I feel that, see, people talk about financial, but it's always as a product to sell. Okay. But here, you are focusing on financial inclusion. And I want to know, how is Choice Connect different from the other players in the market? And why is financial inclusion so important for you?
I'll start with a very, very small story on this. My father, he is ex-banker. He was there in Punjab National Bank. So I belong from Churu. It's a very small, it's a district, but very small town in Rajasthan.
Okay, where is it close by to? I have no idea where Churu is.
Yeah. So maybe you have heard of Khatu Shyam
Yeah.
Ji or Salasar Balaji.
Correct.
So Salasar Balaji earlier used to fall in Churu district. So
Okay.
that is one of the way you.
Correct. Yeah, it's very famous. I have Marwadi friends who totally believe in that. They come, they go every 6 months for Khatu Shyam, GGG. So I'm aware of that.
This is something which is imprinted in my memory. So dad used to work in bank, so he never took promotion and all, so he stayed in Churu for 40 years. He's still there only. तो मॉर्निंग के अंदर लोग आते थे, उनका ये होता था कि आप मुझे लोन की एप्लीकेशन में हेल्प कर दो. ओके. पापा यूज्ड टू वर्क विद लॉट ऑफ सीनियर सिटीजन, तो वो सीनियर सिटीजन ही आते थे कि बेटा मेरा ना पेंशन नहीं आ रहा है. हाँ. कोई एक्स सर्विसमैन है, किसी का बेटा सर्विस में था बट नाउ ही इज गेटिंग दैट पेंशन, तो उनकी पूरी लाइफ उस पेंशन के अराउंड रिवॉल्व करती है. एंड ही यूज्ड टू fill out that application. So एक सुबह का 1-1.5 घंटा 10 बजे से बैंक चालू होता था, तो the morning 1-2 hours and then after 5 also he used to stay in bank till 7 कि कोई और है तो मैं उसकी भी हेल्प कर देता हूँ. Wow. So that is I think in subconsciously impacted me. Like financial literacy is one of the biggest problem in India. Still people are not very savvy or aware how actually they can access finance. No, and it is difficult. See those forms when you get, okay, yes. Believe me, when you have to fill out the forms, even I think like, oh my God, like how many forms? I think those DMAT account forms used to have like 50 pages. They are 32 pages. Yes, correct, yes. Exactly. So I can totally get what you're coming from. Like that is, it's not easy being financially savvy. Yes. So that is where I think in my DNA and my memory imprinted, I actually have to go in this field and do some changes where actually I can contribute to society. So financial inclusion is the starting point. Okay. So for me, there are, it's a part of equation. Input metric and output metric. Correct. People see numbers, profit, and that is where they go for. For me, the input metric is what matters. If I actually go and include people in financial literacy in the mainframe ecosystem, right, they'll get literate, they'll get attached to me, and definitely the output will come. So correct. That is the byproduct, that is not the main product. So inclusion is something how I got attached and how that is a driving force for me. No, and even so I was going through this level of products offered on your website, and you know I was going through all the details, and I think one thing which stood out for me, you all have a lot of products on one platform. Yes. Okay, so that was the first thing which because see, I invest through other, entities, and I have been into stockbroking in my HR career. Yeah. So I have seen that either you have broking, okay, or you have like portfolio management, you have mutual funds, all right. You don't have insurance. Many people don't have insurance. The brokers, traditional, don't have insurance. Yes. Okay. Or if you have insurance, like a bank has insurance, but they will not have the broking platform. Okay. Right. Or you have, I mean, that is my, yes. I think my experience has been somewhere there. Okay. So I saw a lot of these products, including I think was corporate FD, which you all had mentioned. Yes. And you also put a savings account. So what was the brainchild behind like everything, and what are you all trying to achieve here? So our thought is very, very clear. For financial services, we want to deliver it with a human touch, but with the help of technology. Right. So that is where we started building Choice Connect as a platform, as a business. We have seen in urban areas, people are very savvy. At least tier 1, tier 2 people are very savvy. They can do their transaction online. They can reach out to bank, and even banks and other advisors also reach out to them. Correct. So our target audience since beginning was people who are either marginalized in terms of financial literacy or accessibility. Okay. I'm not saying they are marginalized in terms of earnings, but at least in terms of literacy and accessibility. Correct. So when we started working on our product, so I'll give you a couple of products where we have kind of tried to differentiate ourselves. Right. So from broader spectrum, we have investment product being a stock market or mutual fund. Then we have insurance products. Then we have lending products. So insurance, you all have both insurance, life and general? Life and general both. Okay. So any platform can offer health insurance. Correct. But there are very, very few platforms who can make it affordable. So when I was, I used to go on ground. So banking correspondent, or these were the people, agar aap kahin bhi tier 3. So I have spent a lot of time in MP. जब हम चॉइस कनेक्ट बना रहे थे तो मेरा फोकस ये था कि आई यूज्ड टू टेक ए बाइक
ओके
और मालवा रीजन में आपका इंदौर, रतलाम, देवास,
हाँ
उज्जैन ये एरिया आता है,
राइट
तो मैं बाइक से निकल जाता था। आई यूज्ड टू स्टॉप एट एनी रैंडम प्लेस जिसमें फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज का बोर्ड लगा रखा है, मैं उससे इंटरेक्ट करता था, क्या बेचते हो आप, क्या काम करते हो, लोग आपके पास क्यों आते हैं,
राइट
और क्या प्रॉब्लम आती है कि लोग आपके पास नहीं आ पाते।
ग्रास रूट लेवल
यस, so there I identified health insurance is something a lot of people need. But
correct.
if any person want to take health insurance, a decent plan comes for 3,000, 4,000 rupees or 5,000.
More.
Agar it's very basic,
very basic
and which is not suitable much. If you go to 8-10,000 is very easy norm ki wo plan aapko aata hai. And they can actually not afford that. What about daily wage workers? They cannot afford 10,000 rupees a year, and that too is not giving them return.
Correct.
So you championed a product which is 99 rupees in price.
And what is the
And that
premium? It's like
99
annual or
and 99 was annual premium.
That's it.
Yes. And actual problem क्या होती है डेली वेज वर्कर की, यार मैं हॉस्पिटल में जाऊंगा, मेरे को एक दिन के लिए भर्ती कर लिया, तो आई एम लूजिंग आउट टुडेज वेज एंड आई हैव टू पे आल्सो.
करेक्ट.
समवेयर गवर्नमेंट टू केयर कि आपको पेमेंट नहीं करना पड़ेगा, बट दे एक्चुअली लॉस्ट टुडेज वेज.
करेक्ट.
आज उनका घर कौन चलाएगा, उनको खाना कौन खिलाएगा?
नहीं.
तो आवर प्रोडक्ट काइंड ऑफ वर्क की अगर आपका एक दिन का लॉस हुआ है तो विल पे यू 1,000 rupees फ्रॉम दैट 99 rupees प्रीमियम.
वाओ.
So they have to pay just 99 but 1,000 rupees का प्रीमियम मिलता,
but
benefit मिलता है.
How are you all actually managing the back end for this?
So we are working very closely with insurance companies for this.
Okay.
They understood, they worked out a product for us, and then we started working and distributing that product to actual people.
Okay.
And at the same time, a lot of people are there, they do credit card distribution.
Okay.
कि मैं credit card हूँ, I'll acquire customers for them. We specifically went and discussed with bank. We want a FD backed card.
FD
backed card.
Backed card. Okay.
So if I'm a person, I'm new to bank.
Correct.
मैंने कभी कोई credit नहीं लिया है, तो I don't have any history. So bank will never trust me and give me a credit card.
Correct.
और it can be कि मैंने कभी लोन लिया था, मेरे को अवेयरनेस नहीं थी कि मेरे को उसको टाइम से चुकाना है या मेरे को कुछ करना है.
Correct.
तो मेरा सिबिल स्कोर और माय क्रेडिट स्कोर इज वेरी लो.
Which happens with a lot of people.
Yes, at least 45% of the public doesn't have a very good
Civil
score, or they are not very aware कि उनको क्या चीज इम्पैक्ट कर रही है. तो FD बैक कार्ड और सिक्योर्ड कार्ड का हमारा रीजन ये था, we ask customer take this,
okay,
improve your CIBIL score for next 6 months, and then come in mainframe credit policy, so you can actually reduce your ROIs.
So this is the मतलब the pre main card लेने से pre card.
Pre card, and आपको mainframe credit के लिए आना है when you actually can visit bank.
Wow.
तो
but that is required.
Yes. So
I know personally so many people who are, they are earning, okay, but they have, those cash trading and all that.
Yes.
So because of that, there's no credit, and because of that, they're not eligible for because the CIBIL score has not got better.
Correct.
Okay, so this is genuinely a case. Yeah.
So
okay.
This is something we kind of worked out, and this another use case for this was giving it to housewife or students.
Okay.
So for
who are never eligible.
Who are never eligible, and they can be financially independent.
Yeah.
They can start understanding money.
Correct.
And there is no risk involved because you cannot go unlimited on this. So. We
but do you educate them that you have to pay the card on time, otherwise you have then the interest will either just step
up.
Our
intent is to get them in mainframe credit.
Correct.
We are not doing any cross sell or upsell on them. Our only focus is ki at least they come in mainstream credit.
Okay.
So their profile improves and they are actually eligible for good credit instead of going to money lender or someone where they are paying exorbitant amount of interest, or going to NBFC where they are paying 36% interest rate.
Yeah. NBFCs I think start at 24% is what they start.
So I've seen people paying 2%, 3% per month, and that is they can never come out of the trap.
Never.
Because CIBIL score never improves or credit score never improves.
Correct.
So this is how we are kind of differentiating ourselves when we are actually going to public at large.
Wow. Okay, so you know what, when you're saying creating financial entrepreneurs also, you are actually educating, you have a huge, you call them the CBAs, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Choice Business Associates. Yes.
Correct. So the Choice Business Associates. So once they come on board the register, what is the journey that they have with you?
So typically when a CBA comes in, they have to undergo a complete training program where they have to understand the nuances of financial world.
Okay.
Because people will be putting trust on them. They have to do couple of certification program.
Okay.
For which we groom them. This is something, make them trustworthy. They have something, and gives them confidence also. If they do that certification, they understand, nahi yaar, I am now qualified to do it. So that creates that mind perception.
In-house certification, or is it the SEBI certification?
We do both. In-house
Okay.
also and SEBI certified certifications.
Okay,
also.
SEBI has that mutual fund,
That
NISM 5A and all that,
Yes, yes, yes.
10A, 10B. I used to work in broking, so
Yes,
I think I
yeah,
know
you
that.
that.
Okay, got it.
So we kind of include that in our curriculum, and then we actually make them aware. So sales is one big taboo, which is they are like,
right.
people are not ready कि मेरे को sales करनी है.
Arey, you have literally touched the bull's eye of things. I find that so weird. Okay, sales, like I remember people telling me, that if you have if there's a hotel, or so the first people you will meet are the sales guys.
Correct.
Okay, they are the staff meeting you, the people, the registration desk, the reception. They are all those sales. Like, this is the front end,
Correct.
and then you go at the back end and whatever. And these are the people who are the most highly paid. Okay.
Correct, yes.
So, I mean, sales in any company are the most highly paid, and people are saying, हमको sales नहीं करना है, हमको sales में क्यों डाल दिया? So this has to be addressed today.
So what I have seen, sales is a taboo word.
हाँ.
वो सेल्स बोलते हैं, आपको लगता है मेरे को टारगेट दिया है, मेरे को एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट डालने पड़ेंगे, मेरे को लोगों के पास जाना पड़ेगा. बट योर वेरी फर्स्ट सेल स्टार्ट व्हेन यू आर बोर्न. आपको आपकी मॉम से कुछ चाहिए था, ठीक है, आप रोए, उन्होंने आपको वो खाना दिया. यू डिड नेगोशिएशन, यू डिड सेल्स, आपने मांगा और आपको मिला ना. दैट इज सेल. करेक्ट. तो एवरी डे, एवरी मोमेंट यू आर डूइंग सेल. करेक्ट. सेल इज नथिंग बट बार्टर ना. आपके पास कुछ है, वो आपने उनको दिया, और उनके पास है कुछ, आपने लिया. राइट. सो यू whole life people have been doing sales. No, and even if you're meeting friends and you're connecting with people, it's also sales. Because otherwise either you're in isolation, you're in a bubble, you're not doing that. If you're not doing sales, you cannot survive. Correct. Now if you put it in financial or professional work, definitely sales take a role or job description, but that is very inherent for any job you do. Correct. If you want promotion, you have to sell yourself. I have to present myself, then only you will get that chance. If you want coming for interview, you have to sell yourself. Be it any profile you are coming, but sales is happening now. Correct. So the more you are growth oriented, so we kind of, when we interact with our CBS, we make them aware, like, you have been doing this. Now put it in with technical terms and do it again. कर तो रहे थे शुरू से. Yes, yes. This was a part and parcel of their entire DNA. I think. Correct. I think DNA में sales है. Definitely, and I'll tell you what, I was reading an article earlier some time back. They said that India, has always been an entrepreneurial nation. Correct. Okay, it's only like the last century where we went into the service mentality. We went into that service thing, ke service karna hai, job lena hai. Initially, if you see, India was always entrepreneurial. Everyone had their own business. Yes, yes. ठीक है? तो अभी last 60-70 years only we've gone into that service mode, technically. Correct. Okay? So now people have always been doing sales. Very, very true. ठीक है? ये थोड़ा एक blip आया है. Now we are, I think, coming back to what is our strength. I'll just add on this. Means definitely, when we talk about entrepreneurs, we talk about they have their own business and they are running their own business. But for me, entrepreneurship is a mindset. Okay. See, I am working as a professional CEO for this company. I'm running this company. Am I not an entrepreneur? I am an entrepreneur. Yeah, you are. So I'm in service, but I am an entrepreneur. So it's all about mindset, what you are thinking. You are just thinking, I'll come, I'll punch in, I'll punch out. That is not entrepreneurship. But when you're thinking, I'll punch and I'll think कि मैं कुछ नया करूंगा, मैं कुछ अलग करूंगा, I'll go on next step, I'll take the next step. वो एक हम बचपन में पढ़ते थे, तो वो हमारे सर बोलते थे, जब भी हम कुछ अच्छा करते थे ना, ये कैसे खे की और अग्रसर हुआ है. ये फिर से बोलो. आपके खे करने होते थे, तो आपने पहला स्टेप लिया, तो आपने कैसे खे की और अग्रसर हुए. Okay, correct. तो you keep on taking that step and you are doing entrepreneurship. Now you are there in that mindset. Right. So, no, it is completely a mindset, because see, there are I talk about this. There are some employees, that employee mindset. Yes. हमको यही करना है. ठीक है, it's not required. Even when I would do something extra, people say, why are you doing all this? You don't need to do all this. ठीक है, salary मिल रहा है ना. Correct. But that is not the thing that will really take you ahead, and I think also people have to understand that whatever you're doing, if you're not going to get that entrepreneurial spirit, you're going to get actually left behind, because दुनिया चल रही है आगे. ठीक है, दुनिया तो चल रही है, आप
वहीं पे रह रहे हो. So I guess
that is the art. You have to keep moving on.
So always think that, you know, how, and I think somewhere, what is the, okay, so Choice Connect, you know, has competitors who are, I know that y'all are focusing on a blue ocean strategy because there are so many competitors. Okay, so y'all, I'm not going to name the names now.
Yes.
Okay, but there are so many people who have been there for many years.
Definitely.
Okay? Many years, all right? And now y'all have come like 5 years back. This is something that y'all are doing different. Yes, y'all are getting more products on board. Y'all are actually educating, you know, getting people who are not eligible for things and making them eligible. So financial inclusion is definitely there. What else, you know, are you planning with Choice Connect?
When we started also, 2019, the thought was if we have to penetrate this market, we have to think where the actual problem lies.
Okay.
It is not at the top of the pyramid, it is at the bottom of the pyramid.
Okay.
And we were, in this whole journey, we are trying to step down. We haven't reached at the bottom of the pyramid, we are still to be there. But we never started at the top, we started like third step or fourth step and started climbing down.
Yeah.
We have reached at tier 3 now, tier 4 and tier 5 where we are trying to make a difference.
It will take time. It will definitely take time. Yeah.
And the complete focus is we want to groom and mature our entrepreneurs in each Gram Panchayat at least. So each Gram Panchayat need to have our representative who is leveraging the technology we are building. At the same time focusing on delivery of quality service.
Correct.
To the last mile consumer or user or citizen.
Wow.
So that is the focus on which we are working.
Nice. So, you know, that this is something that microfinance companies do, you know.
Yes.
But microfinance companies are only concerned with your saving account and those small loans.
Yes.
But y'all are talking that level with investments.
Yeah, so we are focused how we can actually help them to create wealth. We are focusing on how they can actually go and cover their risk. So,
right.
We did a very, very small pilot somewhere in 2023. It's in the town near Ranchi.
Okay. Ranchi will be now Jharkhand. Correct.
तो वहाँ पर क्या है, it's still tribal area. तो बहुत हाथी आते हैं.
Okay.
हाथी आते हैं, घर टूट जाता है. And they get actual impact. So we were trying out different product, we were trying out different strategy how we can connect with those people. So जब we spent close to 1 month there, we were there understanding their problem and we understood कि यार इनकी actual problem है कि घर में आप वैसे ही पैसा नहीं है. They got some support from the government schemes and all. They built a pakka makan there. Now if some wild animal comes in and they damage, they don't have money to actually repair that.
Right.
बनाना तो छोड़ दो, रिपेयर का भी पैसा नहीं होता है. साथ में बाकी चीजें भी डैमेज होती है. So there we worked out an insurance product for them, which is Bharat Suraksha.
Okay.
Bharat Grah Suraksha.
How does this work?
So that kind of covers the entire risk if the house is damaged by any wild animal, natural calamity.
Okay.
It was the matter of accessibility. The product is there in market from so many years.
Really?
But that is not accessible or known to those guys.
And the premium would have been very high.
It was for a 2 lakh sum assured, the premium was for 50 rupees.
What are you saying?
So affordability is there and accessibility is there. That is what we are trying to power and differentiate.
No, I'll tell you what. I tried to get my home insured, and the first thing that person comes, how many gadgets do you have? How many electrical points, you know? And there was this huge form. Believe me, I mean, it took me like so long to get that sorted, and the premium is quite high.
Yes.
Now you're talking like 2 lakh sum assured and for 50 rupees premium annually. How is this? Don't get me wrong, Atish, but how is this possible?
So there we kind of simplified it, the product. We understood the problem is not short circuit or gas leakage. That is not the problem.
Right.
In being a chartered accountant, I'm a technical guy, so I understand the clauses and I understand the wordings.
Correct.
So if you read the insurance policy, it talks about terrorism, it talks about riots, it talks about war.
Right.
We don't need that.
Okay.
That cover is not required.
There it's not
So we
required.
kind of simplified it. We kind of removed it. We don't need this.
Okay.
We made it very straightforward. What is the problem? And this is for this. For this only we need solution.
And how many people availed of that? Like,
kind of 175,000 people availed that.
Wow.
There were claims also because it keep happening.
Huh.
And we were actually able to provide them support in 60 days kind of a time frame, give and take, and they were quite happy. this actually helped.
And that built up your credibility.
Yes.
As a company, you've actually taken, this insurance concept to the utmost grassroots level. That's amazing.
We kind of get backlash from our insurance partners on that. Like, this is not a revenue generating product. This is not making sense for us. But
right.
We kind of try to balance it with our other product, other business, and we keep on doing this kind of impactful pilots, impactful projects, which actually are impacting the life at the last bottom of the pyramid.
No, but even for your CBAs, I mean, I think the level of satisfaction that they will have, they're not just doing sales, they're providing a lot of value at that level.
Yes.
I mean, I can just imagine, because when you're doing sales, if you don't have a good product, if, backend is not good, you are, you're जैसे आपका मुंह उधर जाता है, आपको पता है कि आप कुछ गलत बेच रहे हो.
Yeah, and we are completely putting his face on the line.
हाँ.
So for me, it's a added responsibility.
Right.
कि someone is trusting कि मैं मेरी reputation, मेरा brand आपके साथ I will not say कि my brand is associating with that person.
Right.
His brand is getting associated with me.
Correct.
Because he is there on ground, he has to face that person.
Yes.
So I know what kind of responsibility I have. So unless and until I am pretty sure I never roll out a product. And once we are there to back it at the last level.
What about the annual premium? Because now every year they have to pay that. Okay. Many people only buy that first year, and then the second year they drop out.
Yes.
What has been your experience?
So the human touch actually plays the X factor.
Okay. Your CBAs.
My CBAs. So as a brand, as a technology, I can communicate to those people. But they will never feel attached to me.
Right.
It is the local influencer, the local guy who is actually there, and he knows उसका कोई भैया है, उसका कोई चाचा है, कोई ताऊ है, कोई बुआ है, कोई
relative.
And क्या है, गांव में बहुत सिंपल होता है, कोई ना कोई किसी ना किसी का रिलेटिव ही होता है, नहीं तो रिलेशन रहते हैं.
हाँ.
Be it not a blood relation, but relations are there.
Correct.
So that person makes them understand.
Okay.
कि ये नुकसान आपका होगा, ये आप मत करो, छोटा सा खर्चा है, ये खर्चा आप करो, यहाँ फायदा होगा.
Right.
So
correct.
that is kind of the awareness which we pass on to our CPs and they pass it on to the last.
Amazing. I think that is a game changer.
Yes.
This is something that I've been in financial services for so many years. I've seen banks do a lot of financial inclusion. मतलब वो microfinance.
They are the pioneers. They
are the pioneers, because a bank will reach a small town like, whatever, like maybe a Churu, and they would be having, every bank would have a branch there.
Yes, yes.
But I don't think, a financial services firm has reached that.
I'll stay, we are still on the journey. We have not found our manzil. But we are there on the path.
Yeah, but it's 5 years, very strong 5 years, So where are you in the hierarchy now? I mean, if you have to, among the top players, where do you think you stand now? Where does Choice Connect stand?
So I never go on that number game, because that is a very, very different vanity metric. If I want
but it is a number game. Numbers to kahin na kahin matter karta hai.
I'll put it in a very different manner. Our Choice Connect family is now more than 100,000 people.
Okay.
Who has joined hand with us.
Right.
They are the one who are promoting this mission or this awareness on ground.
Okay.
So that is how I define my success.
Not the CBAs. This is
these are my CBAs. 100,000 CBAs. 1 lakh CBAs are there on ground.
Seriously?
Yes.
1 lakh CBAs. Wow. Okay. So this is like, I think, for 1.4 billion nation, you have 1 lakh CBAs who are at the ground level getting this, getting the financial inclusion done with, affordable financial services, and amazing. It's a very big feat.
So that is we are trying to do, and I'll still say we have not started. This is our first gear of the car. We still have to go with the 5th or 6th gear.
Right.
So the journey is just picking up.
No, definitely. Okay, so when you're so these people, when you are say getting these CBAs onboarded, all right, or even there are people, I'm sure there are people who are taking loans, like they are wanting this for a business or they're trading, or how do you identify that this person is, you have to come up with a product for this person or not this person, or is there some kind of evaluation that you all do for the people that you're giving the loans to, or which products you're going to launch out?
So very, very straight means loan is a product I don't resonate with.
I think I'm from an MBSc background in banking,
yes,
ना,
yes.
so I think I have that loan thing in my mind. Okay, got it. So
So loan
loan
is something
यहाँ
we are
loan
not-
नहीं है.
हम नहीं कर रहे हैं. उसका एक रीजन ये भी है कि people are very much interested and फिर हमारा जो फोकस है ना वो हटता है. Because if client is coming, I'll work out कि ठीक है tier 1 बैंक में नहीं हो रहा था, I'll go कि tier 2 NBFC में जाते हैं. Tier 2 में नहीं हो रहा था, tier 3 NBFC में जाता हूँ. नहीं हो रहा है तो there are NBFC who will give out loan to anyone but at exorbitant rate.
Correct.
If I start putting that actually goes against my ideology or my values. So consciously we have not went into loan.
Okay.
Restricted ourselves in investment. We have expanded our investment avenues in a very, very vast.
Okay.
So stock market, mutual fund, everyone is doing. We have got government securities, which are sovereign government securities.
Okay.
We have got treasury bill on which government or RBI takes loan on.
Okay.
So people can invest in that in few clicks. And that is the highest amount of security anyone can have.
Lovely. Amazing. Okay. So, you know what, you had also, we were having a talk and you just mentioned that, people initially were the risk factor we were talking about. That people were, by default investing and not even realizing where they are investing. And instead of creating wealth, they were losing wealth.
Yes.
So somewhere you said that, we wanted to kind of come away from that mindset.
So what happens, people, they don't understand. Financial literacy is never taught in any of the education curriculum. Never been it taught. Even when we did CA, by default I started understanding finance, but nobody actually taught me how to read an insurance policy.
Okay.
Nobody taught me how to read the fine prints.
Correct.
By virtue, now I understand finance technically a lot better. For me, it's now I can say कि हाँ ठीक है मेरे को वो easily समझता है, but lot of people are there who doesn't understand it. By risk coverage, he was supposed to be conservative bucket. He did first mistake was doing a direct equity investment. Someone guided him कि आप large cap में डाल दो.
Okay.
आपका secure रहेगा.
ठीक
But
है.
being conservative side and his age was 50 to 53, he was never supposed to put anything in equity. Or maybe just 20% if we go by rule of thumb.
Correct.
For diversification, he reached out to someone else and that person guided कि अभी म्यूचुअल फंड में लगा.
Okay. And he thought he's giving it in a different
so he thought
basket.
चलो मेरा diversify है. That mutual fund was a multi cap fund. तो उसका large cap exposure भी था, small cap exposure भी था, mid cap exposure भी था.
Okay.
When I met him, I'm like कि अंकल आप क्या करो, क्या portfolio आपका? He's like बेटा मेरा बहुत अच्छा portfolio है, मेरा अगर देखेगा तो मैंने सब में अलग अलग डाल रखा है, तो देख मेरा अच्छा बन रहा है. Fortunately market was good that time, तो he actually didn't lose out. But when I saw, मैंने कहा अंकल आपको करना क्या है? कि बेटा मेरा ना साल का 10% मेरे को घर पे आता रहे, ब्याज जैसे मेरा घर चलता रहा, मेरा सिर्फ उतना इंटरेस्ट है.
करेक्ट.
तो मैंने कहा फिर अंकल आप प्रोडक्ट ही गलत चूज कर रहे हो.
हाँ.
फिर he realized, then we started actually changing his portfolio and we kind of curated him. So
this was when you did this portfolio, this was in Choice Connect itself?
Yes. So I actually went to meet this uncle with one of my CBA.
Okay, correct. So you're like actually advising him on other areas as well, whatever they're doing.
What sometimes we do is, this is a mandate for entire team.
Okay.
They have to go and meet clients with the CBA.
Okay, got it.
So to understand whether that CBA is able to deliver this quality of service we expect him to do.
Right.
Whether he is technically that capable to deliver that service.
Okay.
At the same time, the relationship enhances. And the CBA also learns. It's more of an on-the-job training. If my guy is coming and educating that client, so CBA will learn, yes, this is how I should have been done.
Right.
So in this case, he was a new client. He actually, that CBA have not guided him for investment, but we kind of restructured it. तो the CBA learned कि हाँ अब मुझे आगे कैसे गाइड करना है ना. That learning came, and for that client the risk coverage was
his risk went down by I think 50-60%.
Yes.
Because,
so we got him invested just in fixed income product.
Right.
So that is why we focused on increasing our bouquet in other wealth product, the fixed income.
Correct.
So now we have got bonds which give you 13-14 kind of 13-14% yield.
Right. And safety.
This is secure. We got corporate fixed deposit. We got bank fixed deposit also.
Okay.
So entire spectrum. That is why the spectrum kept on going large. This was something we kind of learning.
Requirement and delivery. Requirement, delivery.
This is identifying the problem and then actually delivering the solution.
Okay. So I have a question to ask you. So I have been part of big companies. Okay. Where the strategy, okay? So the requirement comes from the grassroots level. Then there are meetings which take place. There is a strategy happening. And then when the product is rolled out, it is like 6, 8 months, 9 months have already gone. Okay. This is my
this happens.
my genuine feedback, because we have a lot of meetings. Okay. Meeting ke upar meeting. To do something like this, I don't think at a grassroots level, when you're working for a tier 4, tier 3 city, you cannot afford to wait so long. There cannot be this big gap. What is different with Choice Connect? Is it different, or you all have the same 9-month, 8-month period where you're rolling things out?
No, actually,
it's a strategy question, I know.
Definitely. So what we have tried to do, in only hindsight, we'll see whether it was successful or not. But we have two kind of team. One is 0 to 1 team.
Okay.
And one is my revenue or my service team.
Okay.
So one is core team who keeps on doing the routine thing, which is stable, and they are the one who are running the business.
Okay.
And then 0 to 1 team is who's very agile. For them, if some idea comes up, 1 week assessment, 1 week implementation, 3rd week as a review, whether that idea was proper, working, the solution is
seriously?
Yeah.
1 week? What is this?
So 1 week, for a week, 7 days we take to assess.
To assess only 7 days?
Yeah. What is the problem?
Okay.
And we brainstorm on the solution.
Okay.
Second week we work how we can solve this, whether with the help of technology, with the help of our partner.
Okay.
How, if we have to curate something, what can we do?
Right.
And 3rd week we go in pilot.
My God.
And this 0 to 1 team, once this POC is done and things get stabilized, they hand it over to the again core team and they start working on another thing.
Oh my God. Okay.
So we kind of made a loop who works 0 to 1, then 1 to 10, and then someone takes it to 10 to 100.
Wow. Because you know what? Because the minute you said, we have so many products, and in 5 years, first, that was the thing which was striking me. I said, y'all, without a good strategy and effective and quick turnover, y'all cannot put in so many products.
It doesn't make sense also. अगर मैं 3 महीने बाद उसका solution लेके जाऊंगा ना, सीधे like कि सर client को तब जरूरत थी, अभी जरूरत नहीं है, ground पे तभी demand थी, अभी नहीं है. A lot of scenarios also change. Regulatory changes can happen. The problem has to be solved then and there only.
अरे लोगों को approval मिलने में 2 महीने लगते हैं. आपने you apply for something, it gets approval, also 2-3 months take place. यहाँ पे you have a new product, something new is being launched in 3 weeks.
Yeah. So वो मेरा thought process में एकदम वैसे clear है कि अगर आपको चोट लगी है ना, तो आप अभी डॉक्टर के पास जाओगे.
Correct.
You will go in ER, where you will have first aid.
Correct.
And then you will schedule a specialist appointment.
Right.
Then you will get it checked properly.
Correct.
The first aid will happen within hours. And the proper treatment can take a month.
Exactly.
So we have applied the same concept. The first aid has to be immediate. The 0 to 1 team has to deliver immediately.
Right.
And with proper SOP, with proper technology and with all, the 1 to 10 or the core team can take it whatever time they want.
Okay. Now, I know that Choice Connect is connected to the Choice Group.
Yes.
Okay. You are doing all this. Okay. So what is the group saying about these things?
So somewhere,
are they with you? Or you have fights with them, or I would like to know the equation, because to roll out such programs, you require a very, very supportive management at the group level.
Very, very true on that. And that is where somehow I have been very blessed, or we all have been very, very blessed. So the entire group, they trace their origin. The promoter who actually developed SK Patodi and Associate, and then Choice International, Choice Group, and everything came into place. The entire promoter, they are all chartered accountant first of all.
Okay.
And they all come from a very small town.
Okay.
And they have grown ranks. So they are all first generation entrepreneurs. So,
and they know the grassroots level problems.
Yes. So they came from a small town. So there's a small area, there's an area in Rajasthan, Shekhawati area.
Okay.
It comprises of Jhunjhunu, Bikaner, Churu, Sika, these 4-5 districts.
Okay.
In Rajasthan, you divide, one is Marwad, Mewad, Shekhawati, Hadoti, these kind of.
Correct.
So the entire leadership of Choice Group comes from Shekhawati region.
Okay.
And everyone kind of studied at least till 12th or college there. Then they moved out. They did CA. They did all the struggle and on their own, and then developed it. So they understand it completely. And somewhere when we were developing Choice Connect, prior to that, I used to work with as an accelerator program for Choice Group only, where we used to work with B2G startup.
Correct.
So there the idea started developing for Choice Connect.
Okay.
With my group CEO
Uh-huh.
He's the mentor for me. He's the one
Who
who
is-
made me Mr. Arun Pudar. He's the one who actually made me what I am today. So his was
Wow.
his mentorship, his leadership, which kind of guided me.
Uh-huh.
So when we were working on
and
the-
he's still with Choice Connect. I mean,
He's
it's a
he-
Choice Group.
yeah, he's the group CEO of Choice Group.
Okay, okay.
And you're talking about my age. He's I think 38 or 39. The group is 10,000 crore of market cap, and he runs the entire group.
Wow.
So I am still old to do it.
Oh my God. But I mean, look at the vision of him. I mean, the vision that he's coming through, and I think the kind of services and the kind of products that are just adding, and I mean, hats off to him. I think the leadership team, I think deserves a very big
Yeah,
clap
yes.
of.
I think I can clap
Choice.
for Arun sir. He has been the
Huh.
one. So I remember when I came for internship in Mumbai.
Right.
That year there was some problem.
So you did your internship also with Choice.
Yes, I did my internship under Choice Arun sir only.
How old were you?
I was 16 and a half when I came to Mumbai.
So this was your CA articleship.
Yes, CA articleship.
Okay, the 3-year articleship.
3-year
So this was at.
SK Patodi and Associate, who is mother of all the Choice Group.
So you know what? People tell me. So I've been in HR now so many years. So people tell me that that time has now gone where you joined in a company and you retired from the same company. They feel ye time nahi hai abhi. Now every 3 years you're supposed to have a jump. Okay, and I tell people you don't need to do that. If you like the company, if you're growing in the company, and you also have to work on yourself, if you do that, that same company will take you places. And you are like, this is like good. You're a classic example of that.
I resonate with your thought.
Ha.
Means if the leader is that good now, he'll give ample opportunity. Leader is never insecure. Like if my team is doing better than me,
Correct.
they give you opportunity to grow you, to
Right.
nurture you, and then you take the organization to next height.
Correct.
And that is what the leader's job is, to
Hmm.
create leaders of next generation.
So in the 10 years you've been here, that 5 years he groomed you, in somewhere. And
So
I think
3 years I did my internship and he's still grooming me. I still not stopped learning from him.
Correct.
Every day is a learning experience with him.
Correct. And I'm sure he's also getting groomed somewhere. I'm sure somewhere,
Yes,
group
yes,
level, somewhere must be somebody was there. But imagine, you are constantly getting groomed by him. And like you, how many more leaders has he created in the team?
So the entire leadership of Choice Group, we are almost 7,000 plus workforce as a group.
Okay.
The entire leadership is in-house only. Nobody has come from outside. They
Wow.
all groomed. Someone joined as executive or as a manager, and now kind of leading the verticals they are doing or leading the functions they have been doing.
Wow. I like this concept. I like that, you're getting, there is a lot of hierarchy where you're actually growing in the team. You don't need to, take jumps to grow.
Yes, means I can proudly say this is an organization. I did a small stint with PwC, so
Right.
I was there in assurance function. So I used to visit a lot of companies, used to do audits there.
Mm-hmm.
This is the organization where there is no politics.
Wow.
Till date, my group CEO, he randomly messages to any of the 7,000 people, start interacting with him. That
Okay.
person, like, "Bacha kya chal raha hai? How's your work going? How are you doing? Is everything all right?
Right.
What is your..." And he specifically asks how you can change the work you are doing or how you can grow there.
Wow.
So he want to inculcate that thought. कि
Entrepreneurship
everyone
mindset.
has to grow and think differently. You cannot doing the same one other thing.
Yeah. I mean, imagine at that level and to keep in touch with 7,000 people. I mean, that is, it takes, a lot, a special person to actually kind of connect to that level.
Yes. So that is where kind of I find myself fortunate being under his umbrella, kind of learning from him.
Okay. If you make a mistake, because I have worked with some very nice bosses, okay, and I worked with some bosses who were not that nice. So the one thing which bosses do, how do you know it's a good boss or a bad boss, is the kind of how they react. So I tell people, a bad boss, okay, if it's raining, he will throw you out in the rain and he will stay indoors. But if it's a good boss, he will be the one handling the umbrella. Like they are the cover for you. They are there. Mistake kar liya, koi baat nahi, I am there. So this is my comparison of a good boss and a bad boss. So a good leader or a manager.
Yes.
Okay, so either you're a manager or you're a leader.
Correct.
So I'm sure you're praising him so much. What if you had made a mistake, or how did he react, and what? I'm sure mistake तो हुआ होगा.
Definitely mistakes मतलब बहुत हुए हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि एक दो ही हुए हैं.
हाँ.
And that is bound to happen.
Correct.
I can still remember one instance. अभी वाले तो क्या है, ठीक है, थोड़े calculated risk होती है, गलती हो जाती है.
Right.
I am also grown, so I know how to manage things. But this happened when I was doing my internship.
Okay.
I made a blunder at some assignment.
Okay.
The client was very furious, and we tried to manage, but it was non-solvable. We were not able to salvage what can be done. It was getting late. I was staying in hostel that time.
Okay.
So I went to hostel and very tense. कि client फट गया है, he complain भी करेगा, and client was that way कि I'll talk to your partner, I'll make sure you will get I'll get something done to you.
And you were as an intern?
I was intern. I was not even 18 that time. So
oh wow.
Kind of very scared.
Right.
Tomorrow morning means the next day morning I went to office. I met Arun sir. I just knocked his door. Ki sir, can I come in? And he was already smiling.
So he was smiling because he knew.
I thought I think he knew or what is happening. I went inside. But his smile made me calm. I was not that nervous.
Okay.
I was like कि ठीक है. He was kind of welcoming me कि आजा मेरे से बात कर. So he made me come open, come clean.
ठीक है.
I was about to say, but he stopped me in between. He asked me कैसे better कर सकते थे.
So he already knew the problem.
Yeah. So he immediately moved on. He never discussed कि क्या गलत हुआ.
Okay.
So that is what he was trying to put it in my mind. What I have to do next time कि कोई गलती हो जाए ना तो उसको better कैसे कर सकते हो, उससे learning कैसे ले सकते हो.
Oh,
so
lovely.
Now when I see in hindsight, like that episode changed me a lot because I cannot dwell on past. हो गया वो तो नहीं कर सकता ना.
Correct.
लेकिन now what can I do better? That is something I have to focus on.
And he focused on the learning. What next? What now?
Yes.
Not why. Yeah. Why was not the point.
Yeah, you keep on asking why. Keep on asking excuses or reasons. ठीक है, I may be at fault, but 50% fault or 70% fault, 100% was not my fault. I would have been trying to give excuse and would have been trying to justify myself.
Correct.
But he never.
And next time you would have hidden that fault. आपने इसको show नहीं करते.
He never went to that only. He's like, and that made me very transparent कि हाँ मेरे को क्यों छुपाना है.
Wow, I really would like to meet such a person, and I think hats off that you got this leadership so early on in your career.
Yeah, means I'm being fortunate in that way, definitely.
And you know what? It's only leaders who create other leaders.
Yes.
So he is satisfied. He knows where he's standing, and he's not feeling threatened by somebody कि ये और आ जाएगा, मेरी सीट ले लेगा. So that is not there. It's like, you're there. He's growing you. He's grooming you. So amazing. I think you've really been very, very fortunate about it. Okay. When you are, obviously you have these financial entrepreneurs, and now you're grooming them. You have to have, certain mindset has to be there. Their entrepreneur mindset has to come in. How do you judge them? Do you come to know if you're like, when you take them on board, do you realize, can you distinguish between somebody who has a entrepreneur mindset and somebody who doesn't have it?
Things what we are trying to do differently here is we never do paid marketing here.
Okay.
To acquire any
CBS.
Any CBS.
Okay.
So if that is the first filter.
Okay.
If I am coming to you and then you are joining me now, I don't know whether you have that thought in you, whether you want to do it or not.
Okay.
But if you are coming directly to me as an organic acquisition,
okay,
that is the first checkbox.
It's through a referral, basically?
No, we put out blogs, we put out content where they read and they come to us. Like, this is how they can change their life. We do a lot of open webinars.
Okay.
Where we talk about how they can actually become a financial entrepreneur, they can change their life.
Okay.
So people actually join that, learn that, and then they come to us. Like, I saw that, I learned about this. Now this is something which excites me. Can I join you?
Okay. So that is already an entrepreneurial mindset.
Yes.
Okay, amazing. So this is, this is hats off. Now let's talk about the employees. Okay, so how many employees you all have currently?
So my team consists like 115 employees at this moment.
Okay, which is very good. Last 5 years, and especially if so many 1 lakh CBAs to handle them, I think it's you're doing a commendable job. Just 115 people handling so much.
We're leveraging a lot of technology here, so.
Which is how it should be. So when you hire an employee, okay, so is this also that same mindset you all are looking at, or what is your main criteria when hiring people?
For any team member means the important criteria for me is to have the trust or integrity.
Okay.
Because that is what I am putting on that person.
Okay.
I don't care whether that person has technical knowledge or not, because that is a very transferable skill. अगर नहीं आता है तो सीख जाएगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज नहीं भी आती है तो सीख जाएगा, कोई और चीज नहीं आती है तो सीख जाएगा. बट ट्रस्ट ना, दैट इज somewhat you carry with yourself. So we generally take interviews. I'm still trying. Sometimes it doesn't happen nowadays, but earlier I used to take the final round with me only.
Okay.
And in that the question was never about technical
normally skills. It's HR, then business
the
head.
reporting manager or
right.
the hiring manager, and then I used to take the final interview.
Okay.
It used to be 15-minute chat.
Okay.
And then in 15-minute chat I used to ask about their biggest strength, their biggest weaknesses.
But उसमें नहीं आता. People are able to fake it.
Yeah. That used to make people think about it.
Okay.
And, from HR perspective, you can say कि बहुत सारे लोग पढ़ के आते हैं, but लोग पढ़ के नहीं आते.
Okay.
And then I used to take them. जैसे CV पे कुछ लिखा है, somebody has written I like reading books. I start talking about that कि कौन सी book last पढ़ी थी, उसमें कौन सी चीज अच्छी लगी थी, कौन सी part अच्छा था, how that impacted you.
ठीक है.
That shows their mindset to me कि हाँ क्या है.
Okay.
And sometimes I used to point blank also कि CV में copy paste करा है कि actual बनाया है. Because that is a lot of time. At least the young people they just take it.
हाँ.
कि कॉलेज में एक ही फॉर्मेट था सर.
हाँ.
तो मैंने तो उसमें भर दिया, कुछ रखा कुछ नहीं रखा.
नहीं even आजकल like you have the professional CVs which are done. Okay. I find that to be some of them are when the CV comes to you, it is ridiculous. Because it's a generic format.
Yes.
ये भी है, वो भी है. There's a lot of ताम झाम in a way. You can say it's like the format is like very glitzy, like glamorous.
That is to pass that ATS score which is there. कि हाँ मेरा CV का score बढ़ जाएगा ना, तो मेरा interview के chances बढ़ जाएंगे. हाँ,
and immediately you see that CV. Like sometimes even if like certain places where okay now this is my experience, but if I see a sales CV, okay, typically a sales guy, many of them will have spelling mistakes.
Correct.
Okay, ये मैंने देखा है. Okay, but if I see that spelling mistake, I'm like ये बंदा सेल हुआ है. He's not focusing on the glitter. ये इसको पता है ये है, हाँ तुम देख लो.
He's focused on subject कि हाँ मैं क्या deliver करूँगा उस पे बात करते हैं.
हाँ, and I know for a fact कि वो spelling mistake तो होगा. And कहीं ना कहीं formatting will not be that great क्योंकि उसने CV बनाया, वो चल रहा है उसका CV. But that is what he is. This is what you see is what you get.
Correct.
And somewhere I as a person used to feel like this guy is good. इसको ले लो.
वो CV देख के होता है. For me, one of the important thing which I see is whether how they name their CV.
Okay.
This is coming as word file 1. This is coming as resume bracket 1, bracket 2. How it is coming. Whether that person is very mindful what they are actually sending.
Correct.
Because tomorrow these will be my brand ambassador who is coming out to present my brand.
हाँ.
So whether they are mindful for themselves or not. ना.
Correct. Imagine.
I am okay कि उसको formatting नहीं आती है ना. वो सीख जाएगा.
ठीक है.
लेकिन he has to be very mindful.
हाँ. Conscious leaders.
Conscious.
So I always talk about this, so this is what I come, so I actually talk about the 3 pillars of conscious leadership. So one is being earthquake proof, where you are, normally what you do is you're always reacting. Like how you said, Arun Podar, you said he never reacted.
Yes.
He did not burst him. Like एक capillary burst नहीं हुआ, तुमने क्या किया, ये क्या किया, that now normally people have.
Yeah, that is very easy to do, yes.
Yeah, and it's like, so that's earthquake proof. The second I call it is being noise. You know what is your end goal. You know where you have to achieve, and other noises will not affect you. And the third I talk is being future ready. So, when you're just talking about the 3-week strategy and execution, immediately my mind is future ready. So that is where, so I think all this is very, very focused into conscious leadership. When you think of conscious leadership now, where all do you think you have grown in conscious leadership, and any experience that you would like to share?
So for me, the leadership is what kind of team I am building in.
Okay.
If my team is there who can be there without me also, and they can prove themselves or run themselves without me now, that is something which makes me happy कि I have done some work. At least कुछ तो करा है मैंने.
Right.
So I have been hiring a team without. So there is a guy in my team. He did his BA in English.
Okay.
He came with some reference.
Okay.
We were meeting him. Technically never qualifies कि हाँ मेरे को BCom में नहीं आता है, accounts में नहीं आता है, financial services का कुछ भी नहीं पता है. BA in English without computer knowledge also.
Okay.
We met we actually liked the spark what he had in him.
Okay.
We actually took him under fold. That person has put in so much effort. He knew कि he doesn't know that thing.
Right.
So if one person is putting 1x effort, now he was putting 1.5x effort.
Correct.
Because he wanted कि हाँ मेरे को prove करना है.
Right.
किसी ने मेरे पे trust करा था, I have to prove that.
Right.
Now he is a team leader. It's been 4 years, and that person, his age is 24 now.
Now.
So
Okay.
he joined at 20. Now he's 24.
Correct.
He's a team leader. He's running a team of 7 people under him.
Oh wow! In just 4 years.
Yeah. So we are very agile in that way.
Okay.
If you want to climb ladders, the ladder is open.
हाँ.
There's
And
no fixed hierarchy, nothing कि मैं ऊपर वाला ऊपर जाएगा ना तो मेरा नंबर आएगा.
so you're not looking for, I mean, aptitude, yes, but also attitude.
That is what
Yeah.
differentiates you from any other person.
Correct. Otherwise, normally people see CV, they just see this is required, this you should have that in your CV. यहाँ पे there was nothing there. CV was completely blank, completely different skill set.
And he was a fresher, तो ऐसा भी नहीं कि work के ऊपर आप कुछ
हाँ,
manipulate कर सकते हो, कुछ भी नहीं
exactly. But it takes guts to hire such people. So many people I know, when we were hiring, they would say, no, we don't want any freshers because कौन train करेगा?
नहीं, I love
I mean,
freshers.
this would happen with us. Fresher, we don't want freshers. अपने को चाहिए ही नहीं. And okay, so I know I'm saying more, but I had one business head. Okay, so I'm not going to say which company. Also, when I used to get a CV, okay, or he used to meet the person. Now I would say that this girl is good or this guy is good or whatever. I would get the CV and everything. He would literally tell me, okay, now. He would say, this person needs to be 20% more better in communication. Okay. This person needs to be 30% better in execution. Okay. So I used to get so frustrated. I said, I am not making Powerpuff Girls here.
Yeah.
Okay, I am putting chemicals and 20% more, 10% more. But that is what the answer. He would reject people. Okay, this is not 10% communication is less, 20% this is less. I mean, and you're telling me zero knowledge of the product, no experience, and y'all are saying, let's hire this guy.
Yeah, means we have been doing this, not just this is one of the examples. There's a girl in my team now, so she has got promoted as a senior manager.
Okay.
When we were doing credit card business, so I didn't have that experience कि market में कैसा होता है, क्या होता है. She was the one, instrumental piece in entire cycle. So she was the one who got banks on board. She coordinated with banks. We got sales team in place. She got them settled down.
Okay.
And everything got in place, and that the whole venture is generating very good amount of revenue for us and very instrumental part of the entire product life cycle.
Wow.
And
And
now-
she had no experience when she joined.
No, she used to do accounting somewhere. No business experience, no product experience.
Okay.
She did very small instinct of credit card sales sometime back when she was fresher, but very small experience.
Okay.
But no one could say कि now she is the operation lead for entire credit card business for me. She is heading, she has team under her, and I can blindly trust if she says we have to make payout for 50 lakh or 80 lakh for this. I'm blindly okay. Like if she is vetting it, I'm completely okay. So that is kind of the trust she has gained from me.
Wow. I mean, I that is hats off. I mean, totally hats off. And I think this is actually required. People need to groom them. Because you know what, we talk about our government and all talks ki we have so many people, 1.4 billion, and we have people in the this age group, and so we will have a workforce, and when others don't have a workforce, we all that, but we don't have people training this workforce literally. Like if you ask this workforce, like nowadays, I mean, we also saw that earlier when you hired, you would see 20 CVs and you would shortlist one.
Yes.
Now that the way things are going, you're seeing at least 100 CVs and shortlisting one because they are not qualified. They don't know what is happening. That has been my experience when I was working. So, but when you're saying freshers and you're grooming them, you're actually opening up a huge chunk of people for yourself.
So, we recently started something under Sunil Patodia Foundation also. So, Sunil Patodia, SK Patodia. So, Sunil sir was the one who kind of put the foundation stone of this entire group.
Okay.
He was the first one to start.
SK Patodia is his name.
Patodia, yes.
Okay,
So,
got it.
Now is no more, but I had a fortunate chance to be with him. He actually taught me a lot of things, and he had a very, very good mantra. Just not relevant to the question you're asking, but I just want to put it. He used to say, "Swasth raho, vyast raho, aur mast raho."
Okay.
So this is what we tell to our team also.
Right.
So under Sunil Patodia Foundation, we started an initiative which is Arth Nirmati.
Okay.
So Arth Nirmati is Arthik Nirmati. So Arth Nirmati. So financial literacy program is something we have started.
Okay.
And that is because it's under Section 8 NGO company. Profit is not the focus.
Okay.
It is part of our CSR initiatives.
Okay.
So we are reaching out to colleges, universities, asking them allow us some space where we can train these students under the nuances of financial services.
Correct.
Tomorrow, these people either make career in financial services or definitely they'll be customer to financial services.
And
because
they have for their own self also,
Yes.
they'll be financially independent.
Yes, everyone is going to become, everyone will start earning money.
Right.
And they have to deal with financial services.
Oh wow.
Be it taxation as basic at basic, people has, means that is something you must have felt कि लोगों को CTC नहीं समझता.
नहीं समझता है.
आपको तो वो बहुत आया होगा.
नहीं, they come to us कि आपने तो इतना बोला था, अरे but PF कटेगा, P tax कटेगा. They don't come to know. Tax कटेगा. They don't understand. They say आपने बोला था इतना आएगा. You know, that is the logic which normally happens.
This happens with even our HR complains of same thing कि आप यार आप समझा दो नहीं तो मेरे को भेज दो मैं समझा दूंगी. That is what we can do.
Correct.
So these are the kind of things we are trying to uncomplicate or simplify at college level.
Wow.
So when they come in workforce, they at least understand कि if tomorrow I'm making money now, how I have to take care of that.
Correct.
They don't have to go and start expending. We are asking them to start small. Save 50 rupees per month, but start saving.
Correct.
Even from pocket money, start 10 rupees.
Right.
If you're getting 5,000 pocket money in a month,
right.
you can save 10 rupees. Start saving 10 rupees.
Correct.
Because that is the habit which still start compounding or accumulating.
Right. No, so this is Arth. I was thinking EARTH. नहीं. It is ARTH. अच्छा, अर्थ निर्मति. अच्छा, आपकी आर्थिक अवस्था. अच्छा, आर्थिक. ओके. पता नहीं वो इंग्लिश दिमाग चलता ना तो अर्थ
हो जाता है.
को लगा it's earth. Okay, so आर्थिक निर्मति, but it's required. And I think excellent job, because see, this is the category of people. They come out somehow of their college very overconfident. ये तो कर लेंगे, ये तो हो जाएगा. But they don't know the actual ground reality, and then they get disheartened. And this is the category has to be really handled, and they have to be groomed into the workforce, groomed into that again, Arthik, that entire concept. And I think hats off to your life. And it takes a very strong leader to even think of these things.
Yeah. That is where from management side or our promoter side we have been blessed.
Right.
They never ask for budget on this. They're like, this is something, they always ask, kitni lives impact hogi?
Amazing.
So, that is how the input metric work.
Correct.
That is where when you ask ki kya number hai, kya position hai.
Right.
Because of vanity number hai, that will definitely come. Unka focus है lives kitne.
Future ready.
कितने students impact होंगे, कितने college में हम reach out कर पाएंगे.
Wow.
So that is how.
And do they join the company? I mean, have you seen people joining your company afterwards or something?
So there's an option to them.
Or as CBAs or something like that.
They can become CBA. They can become entrepreneur. They can be part of the current openings which we have.
Right.
If they qualify there, they can be part of that. Other than that, our focus is independent, whether they become part of our company or become financial entrepreneur.
Correct.
Because
you're just giving them that skill set.
हमने वो kind of Chinese wall वहाँ रखी.
ठीक है.
Because क्या है, the moment you start saying कि मेरे को future employee इधर से मिलेगा या future entrepreneur मिलेगा, I will not be doing proper justice to that thing.
Correct.
So as a group, we have kept it different leadership, different segment, where focus is to impact lives. Nothing
lovely.
Their metric is कि इस महीने कितनी life impact हुई है, इस quarter कितनी life impact हुई है, how much courses you deliver, and the entire course is free of course. There is no charge on that.
How long is the duration of the course? I mean, what is
so
duration?
It starts from 7 days to 2 months kind of course.
Okay.
This is physical and classroom training both, means online and physical training both.
Okay, got it.
But they are not. That is where.
And how many colleges have you all done this and all that?
I think till now we have been. We started this almost 15-18 months back.
Okay.
So till now our reach is at 500 colleges so far, and we are trying to have a permanent place there where we can keep. There's more of a finance club which is there.
Okay.
So we have trying to get a center of financial excellence there where we can kind of groom these people in financial services or financial independence.
Amazing. Okay, now we talk about employees, So if you are engaging so many employees and, that's what is your retention level? Or, I mean, see, I need to ask this because yes. Financial services, okay, I think the average average duration where people leave the company is around 18 months to 3 years. Okay, that's where average people are leaving, and maximum people leave within 0 to 6 months. Okay,
that happens a lot. Means I understand, and where you are saying the market trend is like that. Even when I think from sales perspective, yeah, sometimes it happens. People come and they go because they are not performing or something. Because that is bound to happen. But I can proudly say at least 60 or 70% of my team is there with me from last 3 years. Wow. They have joined and they are with me, and the relation is very different now.
Right.
So for me, when I work, definitely first half of the day is kind of a focus time.
Okay.
Where I get my works done. Post lunch, I just keep on strolling on office, just chit chatting with each and every person. क्या कर रहा है, कैसे चल रहा है.
हाँ.
वो we make it is an open kind of environment.
Correct.
जहाँ पर है ना उनको वो attachment feel हो. They are not machine. They are not supposed to be treated as machine.
Correct. Correct.
तो हम वो environment लाने की कोशिश भी करते हैं. That is not just me. The entire Connect leadership who are the reporting or hiring managers, they are also with the same thought only.
Lovely. I am because I'll tell you what, when this was happened when I was in Kotak. I was in Kotak Securities, and this was told to me within one month of joining. He said, if one day a letter goes late, okay, I'm okay. My boss that time was Sangeeta Ravi. I still remember her, and amazing. Like, I'm still in touch with her, by the way. This is 2006.
Oh.
Okay, I'm still in touch with her, and I have huge amount of respect for her. She said, one day a letter goes late, I'm okay. But if something is happening in the team and you are not able to catch it, you're not able to predict it and handle it, I'm not okay with that. So she had encouraged me, like literally ek bar go around the office every day, and if you have a branch you're handling, talk to somebody in the branch, keep taking, okay, a branch, this branch. So I would actually have a very good connect, and that actually built up my HR skills amazingly. People don't do it nowadays. I've seen HR nowadays, they don't interact with people, but this was taught to me, and it was like imbibed in me that you have to do this.
Actually, from there are so many skills.
And यहाँ पे HR नहीं, यहाँ पे the CEO is doing it.
Yeah, means very true. And I think there are so many skills people talk about. Leadership skill, managerial skill, entrepreneurial skill. I think everything is overrated. The prime most skill which is required is people skill. If you have that, every skill will come in place.
Right.
वो people actually miss out on people skill. Na? They don't know how to relate to people or manage or work with other people. आपकी people skills अच्छी होगी तो आपकी team आपसे जुड़ेगी.
Correct.
आपके stakeholders आपसे जुड़े रहेंगे.
Right.
They'll understand ना. You have to have that empathy ना. Otherwise तो
connect ही नहीं है, तो if connect नहीं है, people will not come to you with their problems also, because they'll feel like नहीं इसको नहीं बता सकते, something like that, Okay, I want to ask you now something personal. Okay, you've come from Churu, right, Rajasthan, and you came and आपने internship Bombay में किया, because obviously SK Patodia was Mumbai. No,
that was not the plan. Incidentally it happened. I came to Bombay to do internship on my जिद की मेरे को बॉम्बे जाना है.
अच्छा ऐसे था. Yes. Oh, okay. So I want to know what was the toughest, because see, Mumbai is not an easy city to adjust with.
Yes.
Okay, I mean, I know for a fact, see, I have grown up in Mumbai, but I also still found, like, in your working, but coming from, a very small town, what was the toughest phase that you had ever, matlab, if you can share it?
I'll start with why I came to Bombay also. I was a scholar, means since beginning I was good in studies.
Okay.
Somewhere in 7th or 8th standard, I decided I want to do CA only because I belong to general caste and there's no reservation in CA.
Correct. CA is above that, right?
So I wanted, means I had an inclination towards chemistry also and commerce also. Commerce, ठीक है, मेरे को खून में मेरे को समझता है. Being a Marwadi Jain, ठीक है, अकाउंट समझता है, धंधा समझता है. I had inclination towards chemistry also, but I thought कि वो रेस है जहाँ पर I'm always at disadvantage.
Right.
तो मेरे को वो नहीं करना है. I decided कि मेरे को CA ही करना है.
Okay.
And CA is one of the cheapest course, if you know.
Correct.
The entire fees for 4 years is 1 lakh rupees. Not even 25,000. And उतना तो कहीं भी कितना भी लग जाता है. आप किसी भी कोर्स की बात करो.
It is a tough, लेकिन it's tough to get through.
It is tough. So when I did my 12th, I had got very good numbers.
Okay.
So one option कि I'll go in DU when I do my college there.
Right.
Another is like come to Mumbai and do CA.
Okay.
Papa was like यार दिल्ली चल जा, घर के पास है. I can come any point of time.
Correct.
And one of my friend was traveling to Mumbai. इसने अपनी टिकट निकाली थी. He has his relatives here. मैंने कहा मेरी भी निकाल.
Okay.
And I said पापा कि मैं जा रहा हूँ.
They allowed you? They were like.
My father has full confidence on me.
ठीक है.
He never stopped me.
How old were you?
I was 16. I just cleared my 12.
16-year-old.
Yeah.
Okay.
So my father has utmost confidence on me.
Right.
उनका है, मतलब since childhood is like कि अटके तो मैं हूँ.
Okay.
तू कर जो करना है,
ठीक
कहीं
है,
परेशान होगा तो मैं खड़ा हूँ, मैं तेरे पीछे हूँ.
लवली.
So he kind of always supported me and being there कि वो ठीक है सर पे उनका हाथ है तो यहाँ तक पहुँचे.
नहीं, but what was the toughest phase?
So when I came here, we have to sort out couple of things. One is internship, then the stay arrangement and all. So I met couple of guys. पापा के भी कुछ references थे, कुछ uncle वगैरह थे. And मैं उन्होंने कहा मुंबई आ जा, मैं सब करा दूंगा, मैं सब करा दूंगा.
अच्छा.
There were 10-12 references.
Okay.
When I came, I started interacting with all of them.
Okay.
आपने बात करी थी, कुछ करा दो. And all of them started saying कि बेटा अभी तो हो नहीं सकता, अभी ये अड़चन आ गई है, 6 महीने बाद हो जाएगा, तो चिंता मत कर, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन थोड़ा डिले है, तो रुक मैं करवा दूंगा. And for me, that was, I think, one of the first moment when I started seeing कि my hopes are getting shattered or I kind of getting filled. मेरे को जो चाहिए वो नहीं मिल रहा है. उससे पहले तो क्या होता था, आपको पढ़ना होता था, आपको नंबर आते थे. I used to do कि वो ठीक है मेरी खुद के हाथ में था. I still remember I was there in JB Nagar that time. अंधेरी JB Nagar. It was a bus stop there. वो वाचनालय जैसा नहीं रहता जहाँ पे न्यूज़पेपर रहते हैं. Anyone can come and read those newspapers.
Right.
वहाँ पे वो बेंच थी. I sat there and tears started rolling out of my eyes. I'm like, उतना मैंने कभी डिप्रेशन लाइफ में कभी फील नहीं करा कि
Okay.
अभी मैं क्या करूँ? I was not able to think कि मेरा next moment क्या होगा.
But where were you stuck? You're not getting a.
I was not getting internship. I was not getting hostel stay, which was there. So we have Rajasthan Vidyarthi Grah here, which is RVG hostel. It's a kind of at a time 600 CA students stay there.
Okay.
So that is factory of CAs.
Acha.
I was staying there. Internship I was applying every day. I was applying. It was 10th or 11th day.
Okay.
Every day morning routine was कि मैं घर से निकलूंगा. I'll walk into top firms. I'll put it my CV there.
Acha, you were actually literally applying like that.
I was doing that because the promises kind of went hollow when I was doing this. That was one of the lowest moment, and I'll say that was one of the very good moment which actually happened to me, because that time I thought कि amid when the tears were in my eyes, I thought कि यार ठीक है ना, किसी ने कुछ बोला, but I can still do it, I can still make it.
Okay.
And उसके बाद फिर मैं I never been dependent to anyone else. I'm like कि अगर मेरे से होगा ना तो मैं कर लूंगा, नहीं होगा तो मैं नहीं करूंगा, कोई बात नहीं. Things can come later on in my life, but has to be on my own terms.
I in my book also, by the way, this is my book. I had a similar moment, not similar, but yeah, there was this moment where I was kind of giving up. I said, bas ho gaya, matlab nahi hoga. I was dependent on a lot of other factors, and I think somewhere that happened. Ke if it has to be, it is up to me.
Very true. Means
that one thing was there. Ke no, ab bas. If it has to be, अगर होना है तो मैं ही करूंगी. मतलब अब you're not going to be dependent on anybody for anything. Like people will take you for a ride.
Very, very true on that. And
हाँ, so that was my moment, and I think somewhere I was getting that same.
This is why I fell in love with Mumbai, because it is what Mumbai made me. Na?
Right.
I came as a young boy, and now I'm sitting here. It's been 15 years I'm in Mumbai, and I'm still falling in love with the city, because every day the city teaches you one or other thing.
Correct.
So that's means lot of time Papa called कि यार इधर आजा, you can settle down in Mumbai or Jaipur or Delhi. Like नहीं Papa. Mumbai is different. The heart of the city, it beats with me, and I feel it.
Right. तो मुंबई सब कुछ सिखा देता है. लोग बोलते तो है ना कि मुंबई सब कुछ सिखा देता है.
वो होता है ना, this is my कर्म भूमि.
हाँ.
That was my जन्म भूमि, but this is my कर्म भूमि. So I want to stay in my कर्म भूमि.
Right.
ठीक है, जब कभी समय आएगा वापस जन्म भूमि में जाने का तभी जाएंगे, लेकिन अभी तो कर्म का समय.
Very nice. अच्छा, any regret you have in your life? कि लगता है कि ये होता तो कुछ और, क्योंकि you've achieved a lot. You've definitely achieved a lot, and you are currently also achieving, and major milestones to go. I can see Choice Connect really growing because of your funda is only different. So I just love that about you all. But any regrets?
So I won't say कि it is a regret till date, but some point of time it came as a regret when we were building Choice Connect. Since I am not from technology background, I come from a finance background. I learned technology. Now, if I want to talk about technology, I can still 30-40% I'm equipped, still not 100%, but I understand my thing now.
Okay.
So, but during that journey, I felt I was not very confident to take calls on that. I think that could have been expanded or expedited our journey to reach where we are.
No, but that is your journey, because that happens when you. But still you overcame that. I think so. I look at it as a actually not a regret, but actually as a strength that you overcame that.
That is more a what if scenario कि शायद वो कर लेते तो शायद वो हो जाता. But again, my mentor taught me कि यार तू आगे का देख इतना, जो हो गया तो ठीक है। तो वो अभी भी दिमाग में वही रहता है कि ठीक है, हाउ वी कैन कॉम्पनसेट दिस इन फ्यूचर ना, लेट्स पुट डबल एफर्ट्स ऑन दैट एंड लेट्स गेट दैट थिंग अर्ली।
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, okay, how happy are you?
So
see, happiness is not because of achievements. Happiness is not because of ये हो गया, वो हो गया, या ये हो जाएगा. I think generally there's a happiness quotient. I believe everyone has a happiness quotient, and that is a philosophy of life.
Definitely.
What is your philosophy and your happiness quotient?
So for me, if I want to put a number, which is very very difficult question to ask for, but still I will to try. There's no perfect one. So definitely
there's no perfect one. Yeah.
So I'll say I'm there at 9 somewhere. I am happy, but I'm not content. I still have that hunger कि मुझे और आगे जाना है.
Which is good.
मुझे और कुछ करना है.
हाँ.
But I keep on doing this. I'll say I'm fortunate, or I can say कि everyone is able to do it. I have partition in my mind.
Okay.
Where I can shut down anything at any point of time.
Right.
So if I'm in office, I can shut down my home completely.
Okay.
Even if something is happening, I can shut down and be happy with my work and get involved.
Correct.
When I go home, I'll shut down my office completely.
Correct. Nice.
At the same time, I think people say sleep is one of the metrics which shows how happy or how feeling good you are. I can sleep in 2 minutes.
Ah, so good. Mind is free.
Yes.
I think because you're achieving things. See, you're also leaving behind a legacy. You're focusing on all those areas. I think that gives you that satisfaction and that happiness.
Maybe, yeah, something that...
Work is not, arey, work hai, jana hai. Work is like, oh yes, what else are we doing today?
The excitement means I start my day quite early, and at 8:15 every day, 8:15 around, took out my notebook and I start writing, आज मेरे को क्या achieve करना है. तो I plan my day early. तो मेरे को जब जाना है ना, तो मेरे को वो botheration नहीं कि आज मेरा... I don't want uncertainties in life. I'm like, I'm certain. These are the things I'll achieve today.
Correct.
If something comes up, let it be.
ठीक है.
But ये तो मैं करके आऊँगा.
Lovely, lovely. अच्छा, before we end, I've just a couple of more questions, I think.
Yeah. I'm enjoying it like...
Okay, just a couple more. The India that we are living in today, see, we have seen a lot of changes. Like, I think the rapid changes that we are seeing now, last few years, has been amazing. Okay, India is really growing, and now in the financial services, and you are heading a company and you are reaching people at grassroots levels. What is your feedback or your experience about the policies that India is coming up with?
So, from the policy perspective, means...
Or any suggestions that you have that this something can change?
So, there are a lot of changes which is happening in last 15-18 months. I'll say plethora of policy changes which is coming.
Okay.
And every time the policy comes in, 90% or 95% of people think, nahi yaar, ye business kharab karte hain.
Okay. But because that is where it is. Because people are either they are very pro or they are very anti.
Yeah. So for me, what I feel is every policy change which has happened in last decade or so, that has made Indian market, at least the capital market or the regulatory framework, more suitable and more sound. So every policy change, I'll say it adds another year to which the market can survive. So if it was supposed to survive at 50 years, the policy changes which came in last decade, at least 80-90 years the market will survive the same way.
Which are the policies that you have felt are like really favorable?
So there was very much need. There I commend our policy makers a lot. There was a time when every Tom and Dick Harry was coming and giving advice on this is where to invest, this is how you do.
Correct.
Money management is very complex task, or investment management is a very complex task. Not every person can come and say, I am a TikToker, यार मैंने कुछ influencer लिए, मैंने कुछ followers लिए और अभी मैं जाकर share के advice दे रहा हूँ. How that is possible? You're not doing... You're actually taking stake of so many persons money there, and कल आप नहीं हो तो उनका क्या होगा यार? उनको पूछना है तो they will not come. और आपसे भागेंगे तो आप बोल दो कि यार मैंने तो उस टाइम पे कुछ देखा था, मैंने बता दिया.
नहीं, I'll tell you what happened with me. आपने बोला ना, मेरे को strike किया. I was working in this company, broking company, okay, and somebody advised me, ये वाला share खरीद लो. Okay, अब मुझे अभी share का नाम भी सोचना पड़ेगा. एक तो Reliance Power पे IPO मैंने खरीदा था, by the way. So everyone took it. So Reliance Power मैंने लिया, अपनी sister को भी बोला कि तुम भी invest करो. So we did all that. But एक और भी share ऐसे आया. So after some years, I bought this. Someone told me this is a very good IPO. You please invest it, whatever. ठीक है, I invested. All right, I put in a lot of money and I invested in that particular thing, and I लग गया IPO and I got the shares everything. Now guess what? After 2 years, now I forgot I had bought. After 2 years, I go back and I say ये तो गिर गया share, and I am not the kind to go and see every day and see. I don't have that.
That is not
mentality.
Part also. Yes,
that's not part of my psyche. I am not somebody who sees every day market. asked them, I said, you've not, ye to gir gaya market mein, to share, it's like going very bad. And they said, why did you not sell it? I said, but you only told me to buy the share. You didn't tell me to sell the share. See, every share has an entry and exit point. Okay. And at the high, you're supposed to exit it. Now, when we listen blindly to somebody, they're not telling us to buy things, yeah, isko agar hai to bech do. But they're not keeping a track of our investments.
Because they are not investment advisors. They are not supposed to do this job. So that is where when SEBI came hard on these guys.
Right.
I was very happy, like market needs to be cleaned up with these people. Jitna clean hoga, with the recent FNO changes where retail money was doing FNO, means option trading and all.
Right.
They were losing money.
Correct. People have lost money. They've lost their houses. People have, I know people who have committed suicide because of FNO losses.
SEBI
Huge.
came out with a report now, 92% people are making losses and the losses amounts to 150,000 crore.
Correct.
It means with the growing economy we have, and the people, retail people, we are not actually, we cannot afford these kind of losses. So when SEBI came out कि नहीं यार, retail को option trading नहीं करनी है, मैं उसके लिए affordable ही नहीं छोड़ूंगा.
Correct.
I'll make it so expensive, only HNIs or people who can afford, they can trade now. I was very happy.
Correct. Exactly.
This is something when we try to educate our clients or CBS कि यार नहीं कराना है, but client is like यार मैंने TV पे देखा, वो भी YouTube पे बता रहा था, उसने उतना profit करा, मेरा भी profit हो जाएगा.
And without half knowledge is dangerous knowledge.
Yes, they don't know how to manage it their own. या तो आप खुद सीखो और करोगे तो समझ में आएगा. But you can, you're just following.
Exactly.
It is not Google Map कि आपको वो मंजिल तक ले जाएगा.
नहीं. And you need a trusted advisor who will tell you the entry point, exit point. You know, who will tell you कितना करना है, diversify which basket to put how much investment.
And who is there for you whenever you ask any question. Like
Exactly.
अभी मैं फंस गया हूँ, अभी क्या करूँ?
Exactly my point. Without that guidance, नहीं करना है. Like ages back, I lost money in all these stupidities, you know. So then ages back, someone told me to mutual fund le. So now I have 2 advisors mutual fund, and they are, both of them are advising me, and I'm very happy with that.
That is actually a very good way to invest in. There's someone who's at least AMC में एक fund manager है who's qualified enough to understand. आपका risk coverage क्या है वो नहीं समझता.
वो सब कर लिया कि इतना नहीं है, ये नहीं है. I've seen growth fund है, ये इतना multi cap fund है, वो सब करके कर लिया. Debt है, so I've all sorted, मतलब you know that way. So you have to do all those things as well.
Yeah, so that is where when regulator are coming hard and trying to solve this problem now. I am very happy. This is a very, very big positive policy change which is happening.
Right.
And same goes for national level policies also. When the PLI scheme was launched, I means out of all the schemes, one is where the digital public infra was opened up, the DPI and UPI moment which came and it changed the entire.
Amazing. The
canvas.
chai wala has a UPI.
Yes, the entire canvas changed.
Yeah, and with that digital, that
sound
audio sound box. Okay, now they don't even need to check कि कौन सा है क्या है, उनको आवाज आ जाता है. वो तो there was also that fake UPI. People were using that, you know, that they were showing कि हाँ payment हो गया, but there was a fake thing happening.
Correct.
So my God, that is like a game changer.
That coupled with PLI changes which is happening, which is actually promoting factories and production in India, and then the startup program. Government push on startup program. The way government is speaking on startup program, it is superb. Every college has some entrepreneur cell or startup cell where they are getting registered.
Right.
The way it is getting registered on Startup India and DPIT recognition, everyone is talking कि नहीं मेरे को entrepreneur बनना है, मेरे को कुछ करना है, मेरे को मेरे लिए एक business खड़ा करना है ना. That is the talk of the town, and it is actually impacting the ground people, and that is something I liked what has happened in last 10 years in this changes.
Yeah, amazing. Okay, you know, we talk about startup. I'll tell you what my experience. I've seen so many startup people talk about startups. Okay, but everyone wants funding. Okay, and then they're like, कितनी जल्दी exit होगा? Okay, they only want to start it, take it to some level, and then exit. Okay, they are not really looking at growing that company, or you know, after 10 years, where will it be? Or so I found this is a very short-term, myopic view.
Correct.
You know, like you are with this company, like, okay, you did your articleship there, you've, you know, joined back, you've now 10 years in the company, you're growing that company. You're not saying, okay, you buy me out, ye khatam karo, wo khatam. I mean, that is where, this is a different mindset. Where do you think, what do you think is required now here?
So, I think this is the impact of the place you're sitting on also.
Okay.
So, this is the herd mentality.
Correct.
So if you are saying in a city, I will not name the city, but if you're in a city where a lot of startups are there, someone is getting acquired, someone is getting funding now, you kind of start following that herd mentality. Yeah, I'll also do it. This is something they are looking, I'll also do it and I'll also get quick money.
Okay.
Everyone wants quick money.
Correct.
But when you go in tier 2 city, where actual innovation is happening, go Vadodara, go Ahmedabad, go Indore, go Jaipur, lot of different things. Patna, they are pioneering a lot of things. They are doing getting good startups there.
Right.
Kanpur, Lucknow.
Wow.
So these are the cities where actual changes are happening, and these are the people who are solving the problem. And they are the entrepreneurs and they're the startups now. They're like कि वो जान तोड़ के लगने वाले लोग हैं कि मेरे को चेंज करना है. उनको actual money मिलता है ना, तो they'll go double down कि पैसा मिला ना, अभी मैं और करूँगा.
I want people to grow. I don't want this startup and then exit. Like
so that
ये
herd
जो है,
mentality is getting now it is getting less and less. People have stopped putting in money.
Right.
कि अभी मेरे को valuation game नहीं चाहिए, अभी मेरे को profit चाहिए, मुझे धंधा चाहिए, fundamentals पे बात कर. It has happened.
नहीं, VCs also saying कि we don't come to us with an idea. Come to us with an idea and 2 years of working on that idea. Like at least 2 years the company should be viable.
Your product is there. It is proven कि चल रहा है ना.
Right.
और फिर VC पूछता है कि आपने खुद ने डाला ना, आपने बड़ा करा ना इसको, अभी मैं डालूंगा.
Correct.
So it's more like कि business is your baby.
Yeah.
You have to feed that baby and make it 18 and then the baby will start running ना.
Correct.
तो वो आपको यहाँ patience रखना पड़ेगा. It cannot be quick money.
हाँ. Okay. Where do you see India going in the next 5 years?
India means again I talk a lot about financial services because that is my first love. If financial inclusion with Jan Dhan Yojana and all or UPI, somewhat financial inclusion of people has come into mainstream in terms of transactions.
Correct.
They are doing online transaction. They are understanding online transaction.
Everyone has understood what is financial transaction. Yes. So otherwise, cash के ऊपर no one could even think. And I'm surprised even European nations are working on cash right now.
Yes.
So many of them. And
they
I
don't
think,
have this kind of ecosystem there.
Correct.
So the transaction revolution has happened.
Correct.
If you have seen a lot of payment gateways got big, Phone Pay, Google Pay, they got big, but they all focused on transaction revolution.
Correct.
Now the investment revolution will happen, where people, the regulator is thinking of getting different products. People are thinking कि हाँ मुझे कुछ और करना है. The wave which happened with gold bonds, क्या देखा होगा आपने, gold bond की बहुत डिमांड आती है, आता है पूरा सबसे
अपना वो क्या gold bees,
sovereign gold bond जो आता है,
sovereign gold bond भी था, ETFs थे,
gold ETFs आता है, gold bees आता है, digital gold started coming in.
Right.
तो वो investment revolution is happening now, which is building on the digital public infra transaction revolution which has already happened.
Okay.
So next 20 years I see financial services getting completely revolutionized, and with AI coming in, the pace of innovation is getting drastically changed.
And grassroots level people will start investing, and I think that is where India invest करेगा क्या invest करेगा India तो बढ़ेगा India. We have so many slogans to take from.
Yes.
So this is required right now. Everyone needs to start talking about investment and moving beyond just the daily grind,
very
working only on active income, but also kind of generating passive income.
Everyone has to create some wealth because they are not going to get pensions or retirement funds. Something has to be saved for them. The government opened up PF for them, NPS came in, now different avenues came in, hitting very hard on Sahara or similar kind of funds. That was a very clear message, at least from the policy makers, like we don't want Ponzi schemes or Nidhi schemes or these kind of chit funds.
Correct.
Eating up people money. We want actual good investment product and the habit where people start investing.
And also at a the micro level.
Yes.
Okay, people start thinking about investment. Even that 500 a month, 100 रुपया करो invest महीने का. Like that is the products that you have to have. 100 rupees a month, 200 a month. At least start investing.
10 रुपए महीने से शुरू करके स्टार्ट कर. पहला पैसा डाल, 10 रुपए डाल.
अच्छा.
डेली प्लेटफॉर्म पे आके देख वो 10 रुपए कितना बड़ा.
Wow, amazing.
वो 10 रुपए है ना, वो चेंज करता है. We market ETFs a lot because ETF क्या है, एक निफ्टी का ETF आपको almost 50-55 रुपीस में मिलता है.
Okay, got it.
But that gives you exposure of top 50 companies, top 30 companies of India.
Wow, amazing. Okay.
So Nifty ETFs itself comprise best 30 companies in India which are there as a benchmark.
So you're trading your CBAs to also talk about investment at that level.
Yes. So start with 50 rupees. Don't go in complicated product.
Okay.
अभी क्या है, वो 50 rupees उसने डाले ना, but top 30 companies में डाले, definitely alpha generator. It's a longer run game ना. You're not talking about tomorrow कि मेरे को trade करके निकालना. And start 50 rupees every month.
And you know what? This is going to change the game. You're right. You're completely right. Investment at this level? Because see, HNIs are any which ways investing, okay?
They know
People
they
salaried are already investing. क्योंकि tax बचाना है, ये करना है, they're already doing that. PPF हो रहा है. But this level of people, like the laborers and people, at the blue collar employees,
Yes.
and they are the ones who need to be talked about for investment.
Correct.
Wow. And that is where you all are.
We are trying to solve, yes.
Amazing. So I think it's been a very, very enlightening conversation for me, and I'm sure for our viewers, guys. So this is somewhere where we actually see the grassroots level change happening. And I wish you the best, Atish. And let Choice, the entire group as well, and Mr. Arun Poddar, I really have an ardent desire to meet him. So I want the entire group, Choice Connect, to really grow, because this growth is going to come only because of the growth of the multitude of people. And your growth is going to happen by default. So, and I've seen other financial firms, but they look at the bottom line, how much. But here I'm seeing that there is a change. There is a requirement. How can this be solved? Some problem. And I think this is the right approach.
We are trying, means we're blessed to be there, and definitely with the support of all the Connect Parivar members which are there, who are actually putting their trust on us.
Right.
We're very fortunate that we are actually on the path to make a difference now.
Wow. If you all would also like to, I guess, be a part of Choice Connect as a CBA, and I would like to put the link below where they can apply for this.
Definitely, I'll
and,
with you.
Yeah, we will actually put that link below, and let people apply. Let financial inclusion reach those areas which, are at the grassroots. I want tier 3, tier 4, tier 5 cities all across India.
Definitely, with your contribution, another beacon will go and people will start understanding about finance a lot, because that is what we talked a lot on that.
Right. Excellent. Thank you so much, Atish. Thank you so much.
Very, very happy to be here, and it was quite an enriching conversation for me also. Learning from the other side and definitely gaining from the experiences you had.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you.